Hey y'all, it is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdy Girl Reviews, and we're back with another Dollar Tree haul. If you want to know all the goodies, stay tuned. Now, you already know my usuals on this channel. If you follow me here, you already know my e-circuit batteries. I was running low. This is their super heavy duty AAA. They go fast, so if you see them, catch them, snag them. Also, they're strong and soft bath tissue. I'm a fan. 4 rolls, 2-ply for $1.25. Also, Dollar Tree's paper towels, 140 sheets. Not bad for $1.25. Also picked up some 70% alcohol, which is again the most recommended in terms of disinfectant. This is their Swans collection, and as you can see, 70% by the CDC guidelines. So pick myself up a bottle. Also, I do enjoy their spa soap. This is their refill bottle, but this is antibacterial liquid soap. It always comes in handy, and it has a really nice pretty scent. 32 fluid ounces. Not bad for $1.25 in comparison to other retail stores. Also, I am a fan of Dollar Tree's toothpaste. Depends on the brand, but I do have a sensitivity issue, and this isn't too bad. This is 4.1 ounces. It's sensitive extreme with natural white. And yes, as you can see, it's comparable to Sensodyne, so it can't go wrong. Has a nice minty taste, and it whitens teeth and sensitivity protection. Not bad for $1.25. Also a fave, I picked up these two. This is like, I would say almost the equivalent of a Brillo pads. It's copper Scours, I think, by their Scrub Buddies line. And as you can see, it's heavy duty copper, great for cleaning, tough baked on foods, ideal for uncoated pots and pans. Again, I'm not a fan of super abrasive, but you know, when you're dealing with heavy cooking, and it has a tendency to stick, you need some extra oomph, So I picked up, you see, 2 per pack, so I picked up a pack. And I am a fan of their Scrub Buddies sponges, which is great. It says hand shape, protects nails, multi-purpose, durable. It is smaller in comparison to their usual, but again, you can't really go too wrong with 6 sponges in comparison to a lot of other retail brands. You wouldn't be able to get 6 for $1, not even $1.25. This I have come across a couple of times, and I've kind of ignored, and I have seen, I think, a number of other reviewers have said that this isn't really too bad, so I'm going to give it a try. This is their Veggie storage by Cooking Concepts, as you can see here. It's reusable, great for fruits and veggies, freezer and dishwasher safe, not recommended for microwave. I do buy a number of fruits and veggies, and sometimes I would wish that they would last a little longer. So I'm going to give these a try, and I will keep you guys posted to see if it really is worth the $1.25. But as you can see, it has a nice little latch, has this nice little container, and it does look like the type of container that you would find at the supermarket when you pick up already like veggies like strawberries or berries. So I'll keep you guys posted. Now, the Good Sense garbage bags are back with the lavender scent. These are my usuals, tall kitchen bags, and you can see 8 bags come in total, and it holds up to 13 gallons, so not bad. It really does have a nice pretty scent. These are also a great find. Their canned goods, I think, are still $1. So I do prefer their healthy choice because it's lower in sodium in comparison to a lot of other brands. And as you can see, 13 grams of protein, not bad. Chicken noodle is the best. I'm not really necessarily a fan of the chicken and rice. And I think they also have stew with like meat, red meat, but I like their chicken noodle. So I picked up at least 2 cans, and they have veggies too, but I opted for the soup today. My Scotch Tape, I think I've mentioned on my channel, if you've been following me, I am a fan of their 3M Jot. I'll take a Jot if I'm in a pinch. That's their other brand, Jot. But I like Scott. I like Scotch, and I like the 3M brand. I think it's just a better quality. The adhesive is a lot better, and you can see 2 rolls per pack. Not too bad. Even if it's $1.25, I still opt for this. I was also running low on super glue, and though I haven't used this particular super glue with this type of, you know, it's just not my usual crazy. The one that I pick up looks almost like crazy glue, so this one is a little different packaging wise. But I'll give it a try. I mean, again, their super glue, it really does work. It really does help. And you can see, I think it dries maybe in 5 minutes. Not too bad, quick setting, you know, and it works well on metal, glass, and much more. So I'll give this a try, and if I like it, then I'll continue to buy, or I'll just go back to my crazy glue packaging. I love Juncture, and I do appreciate, like I think I've mentioned on my channel, they have hats, they have sandals, they have all types of stuff, scarves, and they have socks. And these socks are really, feel really soft, really durable. As you can see, this is their women's full cushion. Brings three a pack, 5, and it runs from 5 to 9. But I did see it bigger sizes as well. If you see them, snag them. These are really good. It says more spandex for retained shape. So I'll give you guys an update if these were really worth it after a couple of washes. But for now, I thought this was a great deal. 3 pairs for just $1.25. Come on, you can't go wrong with that. Now I think Chic on the Cheap, which is another, I think her name is Sarah Jane, here on YouTube, and she also has a number of hauls of Dollar Tree and a number of other places. But I think she, or is it the Deal Guy, mentioned the inflatable rest pillow, which is really durable. They really are sturdy, and you don't necessarily have to use them when you travel. If you just want to relax, you can. So these seem really comfortable, and they come really well recommended. They seem really comfortable. It says provides comfort for train rides, flights, and road trips. So as you can see, they come in a variety of colors. This one's like a nice navy blue, and this one comes in a nice gray. So I will keep you guys posted. It even gives you directions in the past. In the past, what am I saying? In the back. Sorry. And yeah, I'll keep you guys posted if it's really worth the $1.25. But again, I thought I'd give it a try. And again, if it's not that great, it's not too bad of a loss. But I think they really are sturdy and comfortable. But I'll keep you guys posted. Again, I can't recommend these enough. This is Zeiss. I believe that's how you pronounce it, Zeiss or Zeiss. This brand really brings it when it comes to the anti-fog wipes. If you're still masking, which I do recommend, these really do work well. Again, 1 towelette per pair of glasses, but it really does the job. So this is an investment, definitely worth the $1.25. 6 towelettes per package. Also, their ice packs. I've tried this. This, I will say, is definitely worth the investment. They go quickly. I have one already. I think it's in a magenta hot pink, and they have this in navy blue, so I thought I'd pick up another one. But it really does help, and it really does store the ice cubes really well. You don't get any leakage or anything like that. As you can see, it says reusable, soothes bruises, swelling, soreness, and pain. These are really great to keep in your medicine cabinet just in case. You never know. Also, Mother's Day is coming up, and of course, I think there are certain cards, and depends on in your local branch where they keep the greeting, the stationery. But I believe I've seen that there are 2 cards for $1. I think they still have the $1 price. They don't have the $1.25. And I thought I'd pick up a few, since I know a number of mothers are going to be celebrating Mother's Day. So I thought this was a really good investment. And again, you can't go wrong. These lanyards too, these are really cute, and they're really perfect for now that our upcoming grads. If you have any graduate in your family who wants to hang anything from their from their gown. You know, they can put anything here, as you can see, but I bought it because these are a perfect size when you're carrying around your inoculation card, if you're running to the airport or anything that requires proof. I have bought from Juncture other lanyards, but they were too long, and this one I think is a perfect size, as you can see, 36 inches long, and it just is great. The first one I bought was like almost down to my belly button, and this comes up to like the chest, the bust, so this isn't too bad. And I picked up two, but again, if you have also a student that's graduating junior high or high school, even college, not bad for $1.25. If you see it, snag it. Now this is perfect too. This is from their Essentials line, the storage box. I thought this was really cool because I'm sure they're rolling them out because I get a feeling people might want to keep their shoes safe if they're going to the pool, the beach, if you want to keep your shoes sand free. But not for nothing, I've only seen these bins like really come out in the fall, because I think, you know, certain teachers buy it to kind of like keep them, if you're teaching like maybe early childhood and you have like cubbies and you want to make sure that your student keeps their shoes or maybe like a, you know, dry set of clothes, you can keep them in these bins. But this comes in handy also at home if you want to just have an extra storage for organization, or even just to kind of keep as a filing cabinet. This is perfect, and it has a nice airtight lid, so not bad for $1.25. And lastly, y'all, this is my gem today. I came across this gem and I was like, I have to take her, because I've seen their masks at the Dollar Tree and I really haven't been too impressed. They're a little on the like clunky side. This is really nice and delicate and really feminine. I just love how pink and glittery it is. This is in their, you know, party section, Mardi Gras, and this was like left over, I think. I might add a couple of more gemstones to just make it really pop, or maybe even change the string. But this is really nice, and it reminds me of a mask I bought at H&M for like almost $13, and I think it's the same mask. I'm gonna compare and I'll keep you guys posted, but it's so pretty,